Come on, let's paint with some colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Mix them together to get purple, green, and orange too. We put the paint on the brush and we swirl it all around. We swirl it all around on the canvas. We call it art. Oh, oh, we call it art. Yeah, we call it art. Oh, oh, we call it art. We call it art. So many things that we can draw. Lines, dots, stripes and shapes. Let's use chalk, pencils, markers and crayons to brighten up the page. All these colors to choose from, like turquoise and magenta.